Dear friends from North India, those who do not know Telugu, here is a wonderful life routine, healthy lifestyle for you to conquer many lifestyle diseases. I will go on. I think you may remember many people. I have posted this healthy lifestyle in all of our homeopathy groups, WhatsApp groups. But I don't know. But many people are following and many are not understanding how to follow this, how to be life healthy. Here I will discuss the details of a healthy lifestyle for many diseases. Many diseases are because of our deviation from lifestyle. Our lifestyle is changed a lot for the last 40 years. Before 40 years, people never know about thyroid. That name itself is not known. Now everybody is going to a laboratory and asking for a thyroid test. Every 3 months they go for thyroid test. Likewise, every month or even 2 months or sometime people will go regularly for every 3 months for general checkup. All these things are not necessary if you follow a healthy lifestyle. This lifestyle is arrived by me to live a very healthy life even at 70 years, more than 70 years, even at 80, 85 years also. You can be very healthy unless you are met with some accidents or other things. But generally, we can keep very good health with this particular lifestyle. What are the diseases we can conquer? We will achieve good health with this lifestyle. Number one is hypertension. This is a common disease for all the people who are not following healthy lifestyle. Number two, the diabetes. Diabetes is a disease when you are worried a lot. You are worried. You are thinking always some nonsense. Definitely diabetes will come. Thyroid problems. Why thyroid problem come to the younger children? 12 to 13 years girls and 20-23 years boys from upwards. They are getting these thyroid problems. And respiratory problems. Right from the beginning, right from the childhood. Parents, they give them chocolates, biscuits, ice water from fridge and ice creams and more sweets with made sugar. These things are the cause for all respiratory problems. And circulatory problems, overeating. What are the circulatory problems? That is high cholesterol and obstruction in heart valves, like that. Because of all these diseases and overeating junk food, it causes obesity. And ladies without proper exercise, they get all menstrual problems because of hormonal imbalance. And sleep disturbances. Sleep disturbances is a natural phenomena. Who is worried very much, and he is depressed and very anxiety is suffering. These things. And moreover, another serious problem, and the people go to doctors, are hair loss. Young people from 13 years to 25 years, they suffer hair loss and they worry a lot. This truth is, because of worry, hair loss is more. Hair loss is more, worry is more. Both are interconnected. So lifestyle changes are required. These are all lifestyle changes are metabolic disorders and deviation from good lifestyle. And of course, there are other diseases. They are called autoimmune diseases. Autoimmune diseases are like psoriasis, eczema, schizophrenia, and many other like diseases, all cancer, these things, HIV, all these things are autoimmune diseases. We will deal with that separately. Now I will tell you a good, very healthy lifestyle for healthy body and mind. This is evolved by me, and many of my friends followed right from 2004. They are free from diseases. 2004 means they have started it at their age of 50 years. Now almost they are 70 years old. They are very, very healthy. They are not dependent on medicines. What are the lifestyle? Now we are going to tell. The first and foremost thing is, please be careful and hear with good interest. If you don't have interest, you all know very well health is wealth. If you lose health, you have to go round the doctors from one hospital to hospital and one doctor to another doctor and one system of medicine to other system of medicines. Like that, you have to move to doctors and depend on medicines, and whatever you are earning, it will go 50% to the doctors and laboratories and other testing modes. Ultimately, you will be losing good health. For that, I have evolved a very good healthy lifestyle system. This I will start telling you time wise every day how to start this lifestyle, good lifestyle. First and foremost thing is, get up at 5:30 a.m. That is very, very, very important for the children who are studying, who are doing hard work, who are doing computer science, who are doing night duties, whatever may be. You should get up at 5:30 a.m. Complete your restroom activities. Go to toilet, brush your teeth, and at 6 a.m. first on getting up, drink 1 or 1.5 liter of water. That will give you a very good convenience to clean your bowels. Your restroom activities are very easy, very comfortable, and it can be completed very easily. At 6 a.m., this is important. Drink 1 lemon juice, 1 glass of warm water or hot water with 2 to 3 spoons of honey. This is at 6 a.m. At 6:30 to 7:30 a.m., this is also a very important. If this is because we have forgotten this aspect in our life, so we are getting so many diseases. All these things are because of this particular activity we have forgotten. From 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. or 8 a.m. daily without any break, walk in a greenery park with moderate speed, that is at least 4 kilometers per hour. Walk at least 1.5 hours for obtaining most essential Miracle Vitamin D3. Vitamin D3 is available only from sunlight. Only from sunlight. The present young generation, for whom I am talking daily to many people, during 1 year, you may surprise, I have talked to nearly 32,000 people. There is a record in my WhatsApp. Everybody is young people, particularly I am telling, they are getting up at 8 after 8 a.m. only. They are not at all caring to walk. They don't have any physical exercise. They go on two-wheeler. Every place they go on two-wheeler, by car, by other modes. They don't walk. They don't go to places by cycle. They always depend on two-wheeler. Particularly, they wake up at 8 after 8 o'clock. That is the cause they are getting several kinds of diseases. This is very important. I am stressing on this point. So your walking is a must. Even if you don't eat, no problem. But if you don't walk, don't do exercise, you are taking junk food into your stomach. Junk in, junk out is computer language. You know very well. You have to clean the junk files in the computer. When you are cleaning the junk files in a computer, why you are not cleaning the junk from your body, toxins from your body? The best way is to walk in a park at least 90 minutes daily. That is important. Walking in morning sunlight is the best exercise ever known to the people on earth. Beyond this, there is no good exercise. Gym is not a good exercise. Gym is for celebrities. Celebrities work with gym. They will have a trainer. For middle class, no need of gym. Just walk in a greenery park to get most essential vitamin D. Without vitamin D, all hormones are irregular. Irregular hormones disturbance. Vitamin D is the king of all vitamins. King of all vitamins. It is essential. It is only required. It is only free of cost from sun god. So only Surya Namaskaras came to rescue the people from any ailments. But to our bad luck, all Surya Namaskaras people are doing in closed room. Surya Namaskaras to be done only in the morning sunlight before 8 a.m. Then only you will get the benefit. And most important for diabetics and want to live a healthy life, at 8 or 8:30, take a tulsi leaves of good number of tulsi leaves, mint leaves, mint means pudina, coriander leaves, kotimira, coriander leaves, and curry pata. Curry pata means karvepaku in Telugu. Some tender neem leaves. Neem leaves, you all know what is neem leaves. 3 crushed garlic cloves. 3 crushed garlic cloves. All these things put together, slowly chew them properly, all the above at a time or one after other at your comfort. All the 5 things I told you. After 15 minutes, drink a green tea at 8 or 8:30 or 9 o'clock. No breakfast of any kind like dosa, idli, puri, vada, bread or even oats. or anything. Breakfast is not a Indian style of life. Breakfast is Western style. Western style, because their lifestyle is different. Our lifestyle is to get up early and drink some green tea, some fruit juice, some kind of coffee or tea also at one time is no problem. Anything in excess is problem. Anything is in normal, any limit quantity is good for health. No breakfast of any kind like dosa, idli, puri, vada, bread or vada pav or any other thing, whoever you are eating from North India. The honey and lemon which you have taken is your breakfast. You have taken a lemon with honey, that's your breakfast, which keeps your blood sugars under control. No problem, you are taking sugar, you are not taking sugar, you are taking honey and lemon. Both will control your blood sugars. Those who are already on tablets for diabetes, they should continue the same but add more honey, not to go for hyperglycemia. Hypoglycemia means down of sugar down. They will say sugar down, sugar down. So that will not come to you if you take more honey in the morning. Those who are still hungry, they can take some dry fruits like almonds, walnut, cashew, pista, etc. Pista, figs, as many as you like. Don't worry about fat. You will never get fat with this lifestyle. They contain healthy, useful fat and good protein, which is essential. The garlic you eat takes care of your circulatory and heart health. Tulsi leaves take care of your respiratory system and as an antibiotic and boosts insulin. Mint or pudina will take care of your digestive system and saturate the gastric problems. Coriander will take care of your eyes and kidneys. Curry leaves boost your hair growth and liver and pancreas function regulates. Female hormones will become normal, gives softness to the skin. This is because of curry leaves. Neem leaves controls your blood sugar and skin health issues. Avoid biryani, roti made with maida, sweets made of sugar. Eat very less carbs. Eating very less carbs is the healthy lifestyle. More carbs, more ill health. More carbs, what are the carbs? You are taking rice, wheat, maida, sugar. All these things will cause for obesity, ill health and several hormonal disturbance. This is the secret of curing diabetes and BP by yourself. 12:30 to 2 p.m. your lunch time. What you have to take lunch? One small cup of rice or 2 roti with exclusively half kg curry. Half kg curry and curd. Curry is to be prepared from the vegetables that is grown on creepers. Creepers like bottle gourd, karela, ash gourd, snake gourd, chayote, cucumber, etc. They all contain more water in them, little sodium, more potassium and antioxidants. They control your blood sugar levels very efficiently. Evening at 4:30 p.m. eat seasonal fruits even in your office. If you are in office, don't worry. Take 1 or 2 fruits. That is allowed. No problem. Even a banana or 2 bananas can be taken by diabetic people also. Watermelon, papaya, apple, guava, figs, pomegranate, oranges, pear, grapes, etc. These are all good for your health, but you should take them at 4 p.m. instead of taking some bloody, pocket made snacks, that is junk. Avoid these things. 5 p.m. you eat some more dry fruits again if you want. 5 p.m. you may eat some more dry fruits if you want again. Between 7:30 and 8:30 p.m. it's your dinner time. Dinner with a very small cup of rice or one roti with salads, green salads. No boiling, no frying, or more curry as in lunch. Consume more buttermilk, no curd in the night. At 10 p.m., 1 glass hot milk, this is important, with 1 spoon turmeric, 1 spoon cinnamon powder, half spoon black pepper powder, that is important, with 1 hot milk, one glass of hot milk at 10 o'clock. At 10:30 or 11, go to sleep. This is important. Don't spend most of your time on mobile. No need of checking WhatsApp every minute. Keep it away. Check your WhatsApp daily once or twice. Change to the above lifestyle. Eat healthy, drink healthy, sleep healthy, stay healthy, think positive. Change to the above routine. Made many of my friends, I am proudly say many friends, to stay fit mentally and physically even at the above age of 50. If you are at 20 or below 20 years age, start doing these things, this lifestyle. You don't need to go to any doctor in your future. No need to go to doctor. No need to consume any tablets. This is very, very, very important. Spread this video to as many people as possible. Particularly, I request the youth below 20 years of age. They are involved with mobile always. They are accustomed to video games, pornography. They don't sleep at 10 o'clock. They say so many cock and bull stories to their parents. Parents believe them. They give them all the facilities they want. They purchase them a two-wheeler. Two-wheeler is causing much havoc among the young children. Once your health is lost, no use. Think your future. Be healthy. Be happy. Help others. Helping others will improve your health a lot. Don't hate anyone. Love anybody. And don't indulge in unnecessary love with unnecessary people. That causes lot of mental ill health. Love is different, and trust and other kind of love, it mingles with hatred and selfishness. All these things will cause ill health. They are prone to depression, anxiety, panic attacks. Please be careful. Pause. Please follow this lifestyle. Your health will be wonderful. You will enjoy the life like anything in future. Follow this. Simple. This is very, very simple. No problem. No. You have to avoid junk food. Junk food. And one more thing. Occasionally, you can eat whatever you like. Whatever you like, you can eat, but in limited quantity, limited quantity, very limited. If you eat whatever you are interested, if you are eating more and more, you will put on weight. Your health is lost, and you go on spending money on your health. Then money lost, health lost, peace of mind lost. So take care. I wish you everybody follow this, spread this, enjoy your life.